Welcome to HouseLuxe Estate, your premier source for wealth-building insights and strategies. Our mission? To empower you with unique and practical strategies for boosting your wealth. We cover a wide range of content, from entrepreneurship to passive income, and yes, even real estate. We believe in the power of knowledge to transform your financial future. So buckle up and get ready to explore the world of wealth creation like never before. Today, we delve into an exciting topic: 5 unique ways of making passive income while you sleep. Passive income, a term that sounds too good to be true. But is it? Imagine a stream of income that flows into your bank account, whether you're working, vacationing in the Maldives, or even catching up on some well-deserved sleep. That's the magic of passive income. While active income requires your constant time and energy, passive income is quite the opposite. It's money earned with minimal to no daily effort. You put in the work once, and the returns keep flowing in. For instance, think of a best-selling author. After writing and publishing a book, every new sale generates income without the need for additional work. That's passive income. But why is it important? Well, passive income provides financial security and opens up opportunities for more free time, less stress, and the freedom to pursue our passions and dreams. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about creating sustainable wealth over time. However, it's crucial to remember that passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires upfront work, smart decisions, and sometimes a bit of risk. But once set up, it can provide a steady, reliable income stream that works for you, not the other way around. Now that we understand what passive income is, let's explore some unique ways to earn it while you sleep. First on our list is investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, to put it simply, is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's an internet-based medium of exchange, independent from central banks. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the more well-known cryptocurrencies, but there are thousands of others, each with their own unique features and benefits. So, how does one make passive income with cryptocurrency? One popular way is through a process called staking. In essence, staking involves holding a cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In exchange, you earn additional coins. It's akin to earning interest in a traditional bank, but potentially with much higher returns. However, it's important to note that staking is not without its risks, as the value of the cryptocurrency you're holding can fluctuate. Another method is through crypto lending platforms. These platforms allow you to lend your cryptocurrency to others in exchange for interest. Some platforms offer interest rates as high as 12% annually. However, as with any investment, higher returns often come with higher risks. Cryptocurrency mining is another route to consider. It's the process of validating and recording cryptocurrency transactions on a blockchain. In return for this service, miners are rewarded with new coins. However, mining requires a significant upfront investment in hardware and electricity, and the returns can be unpredictable. Cryptocurrency, like any investment, comes with potential risks and rewards. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, meaning they can increase or decrease in value rapidly. For this reason, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the market, and perhaps most importantly, only invest money you can afford to lose. Indeed, the world of cryptocurrency is complex and ever-changing. But for those willing to navigate its digital landscapes, it can offer a unique opportunity for passive income. Cryptocurrency, a digital frontier that could be your ticket to passive income. Our second strategy is peer-to-peer lending. This innovative financial concept has been gaining popularity in recent years and is a fascinating way to earn passive income. But what exactly is peer-to-peer lending, or as it's commonly abbreviated, P2P lending? In traditional banking, you deposit money, the bank lends it out to borrowers, and in return, you receive a small portion of interest. However, in P2P lending, you become the bank. You lend your money directly to borrowers through an online platform that connects lenders and borrowers. This method cuts out the middleman, allowing you to earn higher interest rates. Now, how does P2P lending generate passive income? Well, once you've made an investment, the borrower repays over time with interest. These repayments are deposited back into your account, often on a monthly basis. It's like having a paycheck that you didn't have to work hours for. However, it's important to understand the potential risks and rewards. The primary reward is the higher interest rate, which can range from 6 to 35%. This broad range is due to the varying risk levels of borrowers. Higher risk borrowers offer higher interest rates, but with that comes the increased likelihood of default. The primary risk is borrower default. Unlike a bank, you don't have the same resources to recover your funds if a borrower doesn't repay. To mitigate this risk, many investors diversify their portfolio by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers. This way, if one borrower defaults, it doesn't wipe out your entire investment. Additionally, it's important to note that P2P lending is not federally insured. This means if the P2P lending company goes bankrupt, you may lose your investment. So, always do your research and consider the risks before diving in. In conclusion, P2P lending offers an exciting opportunity to earn passive income. It allows you to play the role of a bank, earning higher interest rates directly from borrowers. But remember, with great reward comes great risk, so always invest wisely. Peer-to-peer lending, an innovative financial tool that can generate income while you sleep. The final 3 strategies on our list are real estate crowdfunding, rental properties, and creating an online course. Let's begin with real estate crowdfunding. This involves pooling together money from multiple investors to buy a property that none could afford individually. Once the property starts generating income, whether through rental or sale, the profits are distributed among the investors. It's a relatively low-risk way of getting involved in the real estate market, without the need for a significant individual capital investment. However, it's worth noting that returns can vary, and there's always the potential risk of property devaluation. Next up, we have rental properties. This is a more traditional method of generating passive income through real estate. The concept is simple. You buy a property, rent it out, and then collect monthly rental income. Of course, there's more to it than that. You'll need to consider the location, type of property, and potential rental yield. It's also crucial to factor in maintenance costs and potential vacancies. While this method requires a larger initial investment, the steady monthly income can be a significant addition to your financial portfolio. Finally, let's talk about creating an online course. This is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and knowledge into a source of passive income. Whether you're a master baker, a coding whiz, or a yoga guru, there's likely an audience out there willing to pay for your expertise. Once you've created and uploaded your course, you can earn money every time someone purchases it. This method requires a lot of upfront work, but once your course is live, it can provide a steady stream of income with little to no ongoing effort. However, keep in mind that the success of an online course heavily relies on the quality of your content and your marketing efforts. Each of these strategies comes with its own set of potential risks and rewards. Real estate crowdfunding can provide an accessible entry into the real estate market, but returns can be unpredictable. Rental properties can offer a steady income stream, but require a significant initial investment and ongoing management. Creating an online course can be a lucrative venture, but its success hinges on the quality of your content and your ability to market it effectively. In conclusion, real estate crowdfunding, rental properties, and creating an online course are 3 unique strategies that can help you earn money while you sleep. Like any investment, they require careful consideration and planning. But with the right approach, they can provide a valuable source of passive income. 3 more unique strategies that can help you earn money while you sleep. We've explored 5 unique ways to earn passive income while you sleep. From the digital world of cryptocurrency to the tangible arena of real estate, opportunities abound for those willing to take the plunge. Peer-to-peer lending offers a chance to support others while growing your own wealth. Real estate crowdfunding and rental properties can provide a steady stream of income with the right investment. And lastly, creating an online course allows you to share your knowledge and expertise, generating income long after the work is done. Remember, it's essential to research and understand these strategies before diving in. The world of passive income is as vast as it is varied, and each strategy has its own risks and rewards. Thank you for joining us today on HouseLux Estate. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies and insights. Until next time, keep building your empire.